In this video, I will show you how to turn off Steam Client Webhelper. This should be a very quick and easy process, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are on my desktop. As you can see, I've currently got Steam open. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually make sure you've got Steam opened. Then what you can do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, right click on a blank section of your taskbar, and then click to open up your task manager. In your task manager, what you want to do is make sure you're on processes. So if you come to this menu on the left hand side with these different icons, you want to click on this one here, which is for processes. Then what you want to do is come down to background processes down here, and you should see the Steam Webhelper shown in here. So it's in alphabetical order, so you just want to come down to S. So here we are in S. As you can see, the Webhelper is showing up, and basically if you see it showing up, you want to give it a click and then end task by simply right clicking and clicking onto end task, and that's going to stop the Steam Webhelper from running in the background. Now another thing you can do is if you actually come into Steam, and once you're logged in, you want to come up to the top and click on Steam and then open up the Steam settings. Now from here, if you come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto interface, and if the option is turned on to run Steam when my computer starts, then go ahead and turn this option off. Then what you want to do is come across to the menu on the left hand side, click onto in-game and proceed to delete your web browser data by clicking the delete button here. What that's going to do is delete all Steam browser cache files, cookies and history. Now after doing that, what you want to do is fully uninstall and reinstall Steam. So come down to your search box at the bottom and just type settings to open up your settings underneath best match. What you want to do is come across to the menu on the left hand side in your settings, click onto apps and then installed apps at the top. Then what you can do is use the search box at the top and type Steam. You should see Steam come up. Then what you want to do is come to the right hand side, click onto the three dots and uninstall Steam. Once you've uninstalled Steam and reinstalled it, it's going to be reset back to factory settings, to the default settings, and by default it will be configured for the Steam Webhelper to be turned off. So that's how to turn off Steam Client Webhelper. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.